Automate product feedback collection from customer with n8n. Advanced no-code AI automation tutorial. Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no-code tutorial. Today we're going to build a complete AI-powered product feedback collection system that automatically captures, organizes, and analyzes customer feedback using n8n, Google Sheet, Slack, Airtable, and OpenAI. You'll learn how to collect feedback automatically from any form, store and organize data in Google Sheet and Airtable, notify your team in real time on Slack, use OpenAI to summarize customer opinion, and generate automatic weekly reports. Let's get started. The first step is to capture the customer feedback the moment it's submitted. In n8n, add a webhook trigger node and name it Customer Feedback Input. This node listens for new feedback submission from your website, Typeform, Google Form, or chatbot. Copy the webhook URL. This is the production URL, localhost webhook custom feedback. Paste it into your feedbacks form integration. Now every time a customer sends feedback, n8n triggers instantly. This ensures you never miss a single comment or rating. Everything flows straight into your automation. Step 2 is to clean and rename your fields. For example, rename customer name is name. Let's open it. So the customer name is name, customer email will be the email, the rating will be rating, the message will be the feedback, and add a new field timestamp that is equal with the date from now. This makes all your data consistent and easy to map later in other tools. Now we log all customer feedback automatically. Add a Google Sheet node, connect your account and set Operation Append, Spreadsheet, Customer Feedback Tracker, and the sheet name sheet 1, for example. Also map this field, the name, that is name, the email, the rating, the feedback, and the timestamp. Now every submission adds a new structure row in Google Sheets. This gives you a historical log of all the feedback ready for analytics, pivot tables, or Looker Studio dashboard. Next step is to send instant Slack notification. We don't just want to store feedback, we want the team to see it immediately. Add the Slack node, connect your workspace, and set. The operation will be post, the channel customer feedback, and the message template will be this. New feedback, JSON name, JSON rating, and JSON feedback. Now every time new feedback arrives, your team sees it in real time, great for fast reaction and customer engagement. Next, let's make it smart. Add an OpenAI node and connect your OpenAI credential. We will use it to generate quick summaries or sentiment analysis of customer feedback. A prompt example will be this. Summarize the following customer feedback in one short paragraph. Highlight the main positive and negative themes and JSON feedback. This will create a short AI summary you can attach to your Slack message, Airtable record, or weekly report. To make the feedback easier to explore visually, add an Airtable node. Operation will be upsert, the base will be your customer feedback data, and the table the feedback entries. Fields to map will be the name, the email, the rating, the feedback, the AI summary, and timestamp. This gives your team a rich dashboard to filter, search, and analyze feedback with tags, colors, and views. Now your automation not only reacts, it reports intelligently. Now let's see all the workflow. Okay. Submit a test form and watch the chain reaction. The webhook triggers, the data clean, save to Google Sheet, send to Slack, analyzed by work, OpenAI, and store in Airtable. Weekly summary schedule. All without a single manual step. That's the real power of AI automation and no-code tools like n8n. You just built a complete product feedback collection automation, fully AI powered, fully no code. With this workflow, you'll save hours every week, never lose feedback, and gain instant insights into how your customer feels. If you enjoy this build, hit subscribe because I post new n8n and AI automation tutorials every day to help you automate smarter and scale faster. Keep automating and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye. Automate feature request prioritization with n8n and Airtable. Full AI automation no code workflow. Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no code tutorial. Today we'll build an automation that every product or SaaS team dreams of, an AI driven feature request prioritization system. You'll learn to automatically collect feature requests from your users, analyze and prioritize them with OpenAI, store results cleanly in Airtable, and notify your team in Slack, all powered by n8n AI automation and no-code tools. Let's get started. Add a webhook trigger node and name it feature request input. As you see here, the path is feature request. This will listen for every submission from your website form or any tool that supports webhooks. Copy your n8n webhook URL, paste it inside your form integration, submit a test request with name, email, feature idea, and category, and boom, n8n instantly receive the data. This is your automation entry point. Step 2. Add a set node named set clean data. In this node, we'll map and rename fields so everything is tidy. So the name is JSON name, the email, JSON email, feature request, JSON feature request, category, JSON category, and timestamp now. This step ensures your workflow always passes clean, predictable JSON so to the next nodes. Let's go to step 3. Now comes the intelligence layer. Add an OpenAI node and name it OpenAI Prioritize Request. Let's open it. So the prompt is this. Analyze the following feature requests and output. JSON with keys. Priority 1 to 5. Sentiment positive, neutral, negative, and summary short text. Feature request, JSON feature request. This tells OpenAI to read the feature request and return structured results ready for Airtable. Step 4. Add an Airtable node name Airtable store request operation, and the table is feature request. Map the fields, the name, JSON name, the email, JSON email, feature request, JSON feature request, category, JSON category, priority, JSON priority, sentiment, JSON sentiment, and summary, JSON summary, and timestamp, JSON timestamp. Now every submission automatically lands in Airtable, analyzed and tagged with AI metadata. And last node, the Slack node. Add a Slack node and name it Slack Notify Team. The channel will be feature request and the text will be this. New feature request, JSON name, email, feature request, priority, sentiment, and the timestamp. Send this to your feature request channel so the team instantly sees what's trending. Now let's see the whole workflow. Perfect. Now test everything. Submit a few fake requests. Add a dark mode, integrate PayPal checkout, create public API. Watch n8n process them live. Webhook set OpenAI Airtable Slack. Within seconds, your system tags, stores, and announces every request. That's end-to-end automation, no manual triage needed. You've just built a complete feature request prioritization system using n8n, Airtable, and OpenAI, fully automated, fully no code. With this, you can track what your user want, how urgently they want it, and keeps your roadmap focused. If you enjoyed this build, hit the subscribe. I post weekly AI automation and n8n tutorials that help you scale smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Keep automating, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye. Automate bug report collection with n8n. Full AI automation, no code workflow. Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no code tutorial. In this video, we're going to build an automated bug report collection system, a full workflow that captures user bug reports, organizes them, analyzes their severity with AI, and alerts your team instantly. We'll be using n8n, OpenAI, Airtable, and the Slack, all without writing a single line of code. This automation helps you catch issue early, keep your product stable, and respond to user faster. Powered entirely by AI automation and no-code tools. Let's start the building. Step 1. Add a webhook trigger node, name bug report input. The path will be bug report. This will receive bug submission from your website support form or chatbot. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into your form integration, like Typeform, Google Forms, or website feedback form. Whenever a user reports a bug, n8n will instantly trigger the automation. The data you receive will be this: the name, the email, the bug title, the bug description, and the platform. Next step is to clean and structure the bug data. Add a set node and name it set clean bug data. Inside, map the incoming fields properly. The name, JSON name, the email, JSON email, the bug title, JSON bug title, the bug description, JSON bug description, the platform, JSON platform, and the timestamp now. This ensures every report passes consistent structured data into the next node. Now add an OpenAI node and name it OpenAI Analyze Bug Severity. Let's see the prompt. Analyze the following bug report and output JSON with severity: low, medium, high, critical. Type UI, performance, crash, logic, security, and summary short text. Bug title, JSON bug title, bug description, JSON bug description. This makes the system automatically classify bugs and give your team a quick summary. For example, a JSON will be the severity: high, for example, type crash, and summary: application crashes immediately after login due to authentication loop. That is just one example for the output. Next, add an Airtable node named Airtable Save Bug Reports. The table will be named Bug Reports and map the following files: name, JSON name, email, JSON email, bug title, JSON bug title, bug description, JSON bug description, platform, JSON platform, severity, JSON severity, type, JSON type, summary, JSON summary, and timestamp, JSON timestamp. Now, every bug report along with its AI classification gets stored in Airtable automatically and ready for analysis. Next step is to add a Slack node and name it Slack Notify Developers. The message format is this: new bug reported, JSON name, JSON email, JSON bug title, severity, JSON severity, type, JSON type, platform, JSON platform, and JSON timestamp. Send this to your bug reports channel, or you can put here dev alerts channel so the dev team can react instantly. Now let's see the whole workflow. Accurate. Perfect. Now submit a test bug report. For example, this application freezes on checkout when using PayPal. Within seconds, n8n captured it via webhook, structured the data with set, AI classifies it via OpenAI, Airtable logs it, and Slack alerts your team. You've now built a full AI-powered end-to-end bug report automation system. So you just built a bug report collection automation using n8n, Airtable, Slack, and OpenAI, no code required. These systems helps your team respond faster, prioritize smarter, and maintain product quality with less effort. If you enjoyed this build, hit the subscribe button. I post new AI automation and n8n tutorials every day. Keep automating and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Automate feature roadmap sync to Slack with n8n. Full AI automation no code workflow. Hey guys, welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no code tutorial. Today we'll build a workflow that automatically syncs your product roadmap to Slack. Whenever a feature status or priority changes in Airtable or your roadmap database, your team gets instant updates in Slack. No manual copy-paste and no delays. This system is perfect for SaaS teams, startups, and product managers who want full transparency across teams. This is powered entirely by AI automation and no-code tools. Let's build it step by step. Step 1. Trigger the workflow when a roadmap item changes. Add an Airtable trigger node and name it Feature Roadmap Update. The mode will be every minute. Set it to trigger when a record is updated, for example, when the status, priority, or ETA column changes. Choose your base and table, for example, product roadmap. Each time your roadmap entry is updated, n8n will wake up instantly. Next step, clean and structure the data. Add a set node called set clean feature data. The fields will be feature name, JSON fields feature name, status, JSON fields status, priority, JSON fields priority, ETA, JSON fields ETA, owner, JSON fields owner, and the timestamp is now. This node guarantees consistent naming for Slack and OpenAI. Step 3. Summarize the update with OpenAI. Add an OpenAI node name OpenAI Summarize Update with the prompt. Summarize the following feature update in one sentence. Highlight changes in status, priority, and ETA. feature, JSON feature name, status, JSON status, priority, JSON priority, and eta, JSON eta. An example output will be like this. Feature dark mode move to in progress with high priority, ETA next week. This gives a human-friendly message for Slack. Next step, and the last, is to the step 4, send the update to Slack. Add a Slack node named Slack post roadmap update with the text feature roadmap update. JSON feature name, status JSON status, priority JSON priority, eta JSON eta, owner JSON owner, and the JSON timestamp. And the channel will be named product roadmap. Now let's see all the workflow. Perfect. Now test your automation. Update a feature record in Airtable. For example, change your status from planned to in progress. And watch the Airtable trigger the workflow. The data gets clean via set. OpenAI summarizes the update and Slack notifies the team instantly. Your roadmap is now live synced to Slack automatically. So you just build an automated feature roadmap sync system using n8n, Airtable, Slack, and OpenAI. Zero code required. Now your product team stays in sync, your stakeholders are always informed, and you spend more time building features, not updating channels. If you like this tutorial, hit subscribe button. I drop new AI automation and n8n workflows every day. Keep automating and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Automate customer requests login in Jira with n8n. Full AI automation no code workflow. Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no code tutorial. In today's video, we're building an automation every customer supports team needs. A complete customer requests logging system that automatically collects client requests from forms or chat box, categorizes them using AI, and logs them directly into Jira as new tickets, all powered by n8n, OpenAI, and no-code AI automation. No manual ticket creation ever again. Let's dive in, guys. Start with a webhook trigger node called customer request input. As you can see, the path is customer request. This webhook will catch new requests from your website form, type form, or chat bot. Each submission triggers your automation instantly. Typical incoming JSON looks like this. Name, Alex, email, alexaronexample.com, request subject, billing issue, for example, request description, my invoice was generated twice for September, for example, and priority, high. Step 2. Clean and structure the request data. Add a set node called setCleanRequestData and map the fields clearly. Name, JSON name, email, JSON email, subject, JSON request subject, description, JSON request description, priority, JSON priority, and the timestamp. Now, these steps ensures every customer request has a clean, predictable JSON structure before moving forward. Step 3. Use OpenAI to classify the request. A prompt example will be this. Let's open it. Analyze the following customer request and return a JSON with category, billing, technical account, other, urgency, low, medium, high, critical, and summary, short text. with the subject JSON subject description JSON description. This lets AI automatically determine the right Jira issue type and urgency. Step 4. Log the request in Jira. Let's open it. Add the Jira node named Jira create ticket. Operation, as you can see here, it's create. Issue will be task or bug. Summary will be equal with JSON summary. As you can see here, the summary is JSON summary. Priority. Map from JSON urgency. Now each customer request creates a structure complete Jira ticket automatically. Step 5. Notify your support team in Slack. Add a Slack node named Slack Notify Support and open it. The channel will be customer request and the text will be this. New customer request logged in Jira. JSON name, JSON email, JSON subject, category, JSON category, and urgency, JSON urgency. Jira ticket created automatically. Now your team gets notified instantly whenever a new ticket is logged. Now let's see all the workflow. Perfect. Submit a test form with a fake issue. Watch n8n do the magic. Webhook receive data, Set cleans it, OpenAI categorize it, Jira logs it, and Slack alerts the team, all within seconds. You just replace hours of manual ticketing work with pure AI automation. So you just build an AI-powered customer request logging system using n8n, Jira, OpenAI, and Slack. No coding required. This workflow saves time, reduces human error, and helps your team respond faster than ever. If you love AI automation and no-code tools, hit the subscribe. I post new n8n tutorials every day. Keep automating, guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye. Automate product launch metrics tracking with n8n. Full AI automation no code workflow. Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no code tutorial. In today's video, we'll build a workflow that tracks and summarizes your product launch metrics automatically using n8n, OpenAI, Airtable, and Slack. You'll be able to send your product launch data like signups, revenue, feedback, and platform stats directly into this automation, which organizes, analyzes, and shares updates with your team in real time. Let's build it from scratch. Step 1. Capture product launch data automatically. Start with a webhook trigger node called product launch data. As you can see, the path is product launch. This webhook receives new product launch metrics from any source, your analytics tool, application backend, or Google Sheet integration. Example, JSON data will be the product name, for example, AI Task Manager, launch date, signups, revenue, and feedback score. Whenever new metrics are sent to the webhook, n8n will automatically start the workflow. Step 2. Clean and structure the metrics. Add a set node called setCleanLaunchData and map the incoming values property. Product name, JSON product name, launch date, JSON launch date, signups, JSON signups, revenue, JSON revenue, feedback score, JSON feedback score, and the timestamp now. This ensures all metrics are clean and standardized before analysis. Step 3. Analyze launch performance with AI. Let's open it. Add an OpenAI node named OpenAI Analyze Launch with the prompt. Analyze the following product launch data and return a JSON with performance, excellent, good, average, poor, and summary, short description inside. Product, JSON product name, signups, JSON signups, revenue, JSON revenue, and feedback score, JSON feedback score. An example of output of the JSON can be performance excellent, summary, the AI task manager launch performed exceptionally well with strong user adoption and positive feedback. Step 4. Store data in Airtable. Add an Airtable node called Airtable Store Metrics, Operation Upsert, Table Product Launch Metrics, and map the following fields: product name, JSON product name, launch date, JSON launch date, signups, JSON signups, revenue, JSON revenue, feedback score, JSON feedback score, performance, JSON performance, summary, JSON summary, timestamp, JSON timestamp. Now your Airtable will always stay updated with the latest product metrics and insights. And the last step, the Slack node that notify the team in Slack. Add a Slack node called Slack Notify Team. Let's open it. The channel will be named Launch Updates, and the text will be this: Product Launch Update, JSON Product Name, Launch Date, JSON Launch Date, Signups, JSON Signups, Revenue, JSON Revenue, Feedback, JSON Feedback Score, Performance, JSON Performance, JSON Summary, and JSON Timestamp. Every time new metrics are submitted, your team will instantly see an AI analyze summary in Slack. Now let's see all the workflow. Perfect. Send test launch data to your webhook. You'll see n8n. Capture it instantly, structure it, analyze it with OpenAI, save it in Airtable, and announce it in Slack. Everything is fully automated, zero code, no manual reports. You've just built a complete product launch metric tracking automation using n8n, Airtable, Slack, and OpenAI. These workflows gives your team instantly visibility into launch performance, automates reporting, and save hour every week. If you love AI automation and no code, make sure to subscribe. I post new n8n tutorials every day to help you automate smarter. Keep automating and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Automate beta user invitation with n8n. AI personalized, verified, log, 8 core nodes. What's up, builders? Today we're shipping a production-ready beta invite system fully automated with n8n, AI personalization, email verification, and clean logging. Let's build this live step by step. Ever collected beta signups and then never got around to inviting them properly? Today we fix that. When someone signs up, our workflow will verify their email, write a personalized invite with AI, send the email, log it in Airtable, and alert the team in Slack, all in seconds. No manual spreadsheet, no missed user. Let's roll it. We are keeping it core only, zero optional fluff. Webcher capture the sign-up, set standardized files, HTTP verify email deliverability, OpenAI craft a tailor invite, subject plus body plus eligibility, if routes only eligible user to invite, email send the invite, Airtable logs what we sent, and Slack notifies the team. All essential. Step 1. The webhook. Capture the signups. Create webhook beta invite input. Let's open it. The path will be the beta invite and the JSON will be like this. The JSON output. The name, the email, the use case, and the cohort. An example of cohort can be the founders. Run once to see the payload in n8n. Green light, move on. Why? Reliable trigger, any platform that can hit a URL can feed your pipeline. Step 2. Set, normalize, and keep only what matter. Add set clean beta data. Enable keep only set. Map the name, JSON name, the email, JSON email, the use case, JSON use case, the cohort, JSON cohort, and the timestamp that is now. Why? Downstream nodes receive consistent, tidy fields. It prevents brittle prompts and bad logs. Next step will be the step 3. Add HTTP request verify email. Point it to your verification API. Method is get. The URL is this API email checker.io verify. That don't send invites to risky undeliverable addresses. Saves sender reputation and keeps your beta clean. Step 4 is the OpenAI write a tailored invite and decide the eligibility. Add an OpenAI compose invite. The prompt is this. Let's make it. Okay, you are a friendly SaaS product marketer. Input JSON. Name, JSON name, email, JSON email, use case, JSON use case, cohort, JSON cohort, deliverable, JSON deliverable. Output a compact JSON with keys, invite subject, short, specific, invite body, 3 to 5 short lines, include use case. Eligibility or eligible or hold, only eligible if deliverable is true. Keep it plain text, no markdown, no extra keys. Why? Because AI personalizes, copy, and makes a deterministic decision with the verification context. You get invite subject, invite body, and eligibility in one go. Step 5. If node. Add an if eligible condition, JSON eligibility equals to eligible. Why? Core controls the gate. Only eligible user get emails, but we still log the attempts and notify the team appropriately. Okay. Next, the email. Send the beta invite. Under the true branch, add email, send invite. From your beta alias to JSON email. The subject is the JSON invite subject and the text will be like this. Hi, JSON name, JSON invite body and the team. One clean automated email, no templates to juggle. AI handles personalization. Next step, Airtable. Log every invite. After the email node, add Airtable log invite. Upsert, insert. Columns will want the name, the email, the use case, the cohort, the invite subject, invite body, the eligibility, and the timestamp. Why? Because it's centralized record of who got invited, when, and with what message. Perfect for auditing and follow-ups. Next node is the Slack. Notify the team. Finally, Slack notify team for eligible path. Let's open it. In the channel, it's beta invites and the text. Beta invite sent, JSON name, JSON email, cohort, JSON cohort, subject, JSON invite subject, and JSON timestamp. And from the hold path, from the if false, we send this. The text is this: invite on hold, verification failed, JSON name, JSON email, cohort, JSON cohort, use case, JSON use case, and JSON timestamp. Instantly visibility. Product plus supper know exactly who got in and who needs manual review. Now let's see all the workflow. Okay. Send to test payloads. Let's run it. First, valid deliverable. Watch the true path AI copy email Airtable Slack, and non-deliverable. Watch the false path Slack on hold. You'll literally see the data move through each node. That's the dopamine hit of automation. You now have a production grade beta invite system. Verified user only, AI personalized messaging, clean logs, and team awareness in Slack. No optional fluff, just 8 core nodes doing serious work. If you're into AI automation and n8n, hit the subscribe. We build like this every day. Let's go. Bye bye. Automate early access feedback collection with n8n. Full AI automation, no code workflow. What's up builders, welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no code tutorial. In this video, we're building a complete early access feedback collection system. A real-time automation that gathers user feedback, analyzes sentiment with AI, stores data in Airtable, notifies your team in Slack, and even send a personalized thank you email automatically. No manual work, no spreadsheets, just AI automation plus n8n plus no code working together to make your product feedback loop smarter and faster. Let's build this live step by step. Step 1. Capture feedback automatically. We start with a webhook node named webhook capture feedback. This node acts as the entry point for all incoming feedback. Whenever a user submits feedback from your website, chatbot, or early access form, this webhook captures the data instantly. So the path will be early access feedback. Example payload will be the name, the email, the product, the rating, and the feedback. For example, I love the design, but the export feature could be smoother. You can test it easily using Postman or Typeform integration. Why it matters? Because this node is the automation trigger. It ensures every new feedback submission launches the workflow in real time. Step 2. Clean and format feedback data, the set node. Add a set node called set clean feedback data. This step keeps the workflow clean and consistent. We use the keep only set option and map fields manually using JSON expression. Name, JSON name, email, JSON email, product, JSON product, rating, JSON rating, feedback, JSON feedback, and timestamp that it's now. Why it matters? This step guarantees uniform field name so all downstream nodes can rely on structured data. It's like data hygiene for automation. Step 3. Analyze feedback with OpenAI. Now we bring AI into the loop. Add an OpenAI node named OpenAI Analyze Feedback. We'll analyze sentiment category and summarize each feedback line using a simple but powerful prompt. Let's see the prompt. Analyze the following customer feedback and return JSON with sentiment positive, neutral, negative, category UX, performance, features, bugs, support, and summary short one sentence insight. Product will be JSON product, rating JSON rating, feedback JSON feedback. Example output can be sentiment positive, category features, and summary user loves the UI but suggest improving export flow. Why it matters? This is where AI automation shines. Instead of manually reading every response, you get structure insight instantly. Step 4. Check for duplicates feedback. HTTP request node. We don't want to score the same feedback twice. Add an HTTP request node called HTTP request check duplicate feedback. URL will be this api.airtable.com v0 your base ID feedback. We query the Airtable or your database for existing feedback from the same email. Query parameters will be name filter by formula and value email JSON email. As you can see here, this is the query parameters. This returns all existing feedback records for that email. Why it matters? It helps us avoid duplicate submission and keeps our database clean and accurate. Step 5. Now add set count records. This small but essential node extracts the number of records found in the previous step. Name will be the record count and the value JSON records length. We store this in a new field called record count. This gives the if node a clear numeric value to check, no messy JSON parsing inside the condition. Step 6. Route new versus duplicate feedback with the if node. Condition. If JSON current record equal to 0, this is new feedback. Otherwise, it's a duplicate. True path, proceed to store, notify, and email, and the false path, send the Slack alerts about duplicate feedback. This is where logic meets automation. You decide what happens based on real data. Now, let's store all new feedback properly. Add an Airtable store feedback under the true path. Operation is upsert or create table early access feedbacks, and the fields will be the name, JSON name, the email, JSON email, the product, JSON product, the rating, JSON rating, the feedback, JSON feedback, the sentiment, JSON sentiment, the category, JSON category, the summary, JSON summary, and the timestamp, JSON timestamp. All your user insights are logged cleanly and ready for product analytics or dashboard. Step 8. Notify the team in Slack. The channel will be named Early Access Feedback and the text will be this. New Early Access Feedback, JSON name, JSON email, JSON product, JSON rating, sentiment. Why it matters? Because it gives you real-time visibility and faster product improvement cycles. And the last node, the email node. The settings will be from email feedbackyourStartup.com to email JSON email, and the subject will be thank you for your feedbacks on JSON product. And the text will be this. Hey JSON name, thank you for your sharing your feedback on JSON product. We really appreciate your insights, especially about JSON summary. Stay tuned, the product team. This automated appreciation builds trust and better user relationship. And on the false path, you have the handle duplicate feedback. From the if false output, add Slack duplicate notice. Let's open it. Channel early access feedback, and the text will be this. Duplicate feedback detected, JSON name, JSON email, and JSON product. Why it matters? No wasted Airtable entries, but your team still see attempted duplicates. So far, we build this. A webhook capture system, AI Sentiment Analyzer, Duplicate Detector, Feedback Logger, and Slack plus email integration. This is a fully automated AI-powered feedback loop ready for real-world deployment. Now let's test it. Send one new feedback, watch it flow through every node, webhook set OpenAI HTTP set count if true Airtable Slack email. Then send the same feedback again, webhook set OpenAI HTTP set count if false Slack duplicate. Everything works, AI analyzes the sentiment, Airtables logs it, Slack alert the team, and user get thanked automatically. That's real AI automation powered by n8n and NoCode tools. You've just built a complete early access feedback automation, capturing, analyzing, storing, and responding automatically. If you enjoy this and you're building your own AI automation n8n or NoCode system, hit the subscribe. I post new automation every day. Keep automating and I'll see you in the next build. Bye bye. Automate developer alerts for reported bugs with n8n. What's up, builders? Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no-code tutorial. Today, we're building an automated developer bug alert system, a complete end-to-end workflow that captures bug reports from your users, summarizes and classifies them with AI, checks for duplicates, logs them in Airtable, notifies your dev team in Slack, and send an acknowledgement email back to the reporter instantly. No manual triage, no lost tickets, pure AI automation powered by n8n and no-code tools. Let's build this live step by step. Step 1. Capture the bug report. Webhook trigger. Add a webhook node, name it webhook capture bug report. The path will be bug report. This will receive all incoming bug reports from your form or product feedback portal. Example of the payload can be the name, email, product, priority, and description. Why it matters? Because this node is the gateway. Every bug report instantly triggers your automation. Step 2. Clean and structure the data set node. Add a set node called set clean bug data and define name JSON name, email JSON email, product JSON product, priority JSON priority, description JSON description, and the timestamp now. This keeps all your downstream logic clean. Standard fields name means zero data confusion later. Step 3. AI power classification. Add OpenAI, summarize and classify bug. The prompt is this. Analyze the following bug report and return a JSON with summary, one short sentence, severity, low, medium, high, critical, category, UI, API, performance, database, other. Product, JSON product, priority, JSON priority, and description, JSON description. Instantly turns messy user text into structured developer insight. Step 4. Check for duplicates HTTP request. Add HTTP request, check duplicate bug. Method will be get URL API Airtable your base ID bug reports. Query parameters, filter by formula, and value description equal JSON description. This check whether an identical report already exists in Airtable. Why it matters? Because no duplicate tickets, developers see each issue only once. Step 5. Count existing reports. Set node. Add set count reports to calculate duplicates. Expression equal JSON records length, stored in a new field named record count. Why it matters? Because it gives the if node a clean numerical condition to check. Step 6. Root unique versus duplicate. If node, add if is new bug. Condition, JSON recon count equal to 0. The true path process and alert developers, and the false path notify team of duplicate bug. Only new bug trigger dev alert, duplicate get filter but still logged for visibility. Next step, add Airtable store bug report on the true path. Table bug reports. Map the column name equal JSON name, email JSON email, product JSON product, priority JSON priority, description JSON description, summary JSON summary, severity JSON severity, category JSON category, and the timestamp JSON timestamp. Why it matters? Developer can now filter, track, and prioritize issue directly from Airtable. Next, notify developer team in Slack. Add Slack notify dev team on the true path. The channel is named dev alerts and the text is this. New bug reported, JSON name, JSON email, JSON product, severity, JSON severity, JSON summary, and JSON timestamp. This instant team awareness. Your devs get bug details in real time. Next step is to send user confirmation email. Add email confirm bug receipt. Still the true path. So, to JSON email, subject bug report received thank you, and the text is this. Hey JSON name, thanks for reporting the issue with JSON product. Our development team has already been notified about JSON summary. We appreciate your help in improving our platform, the product team. Why it matters? It closes the loop. The user knows their feedback reach real humans instantly. Now let's go to the false branch. Add Slack duplicate report notice on the false path. The channel will be dev alerts and the text duplicate bug reported detected, JSON name, JSON email, JSON product, already reported, JSON description. Why it matters? Your QA or support team knows when multiple users hit the same issue without clogging the tracker. So far you built webhook, set, AI, HTTP, if, Airtable, Slack, email. Let's see all. Perfect. A full end-to-end developer alert pipeline. 9 nodes, pure logic, no fluff. Now run a test with a new bug. Watch it flow. Webhook set OpenAI HTTP count if true, Airtable Slack email. Then run the same bug again. If false, Slack duplicate. Instant alerts, no spam, real intelligence powered by AI automation and n8n. So you just build a full developer bug alert automation, capturing, classifying, logging, and notifying all without writing a line of code. If you love AI automation, n8n, and no-code workflows like this, hit subscribe. I drop new builds every week that make your business run automatically. Keep automating and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Automate product usage reports with n8n. Full AI automation no-code workflow. What's up builders? Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no-code build. Today we're building a powerful product usage report automation, a system that gathers usage data from your application Summarize it with AI, logs it in Airtable, alert your product team in Slack, and send the daily summary report automatically by email. You'll see how to connect your product API, process metrics intelligently, and deliver clean reports, all with AI automation, n8n, and no-code tools. Let's build it live step by step. Step 1. Retrieve product usage data, HTTP request. We start with a HTTP request node called HTTP request get usage data. This node will fetch product usage metrics from your internal analytics API. So the URL will be this API or application.com usage today. And the method will be get. An example response will be the date, the active users, the sessions, the feature usage, export, dashboard, AI writer, and reports, and also the top feature. Why it matters? This is your raw data source. It powers every insight downstream. Step 2. Clean and prepare data. Add a set node, clean usage data. We'll define consistent fields for easier mapping. The date, JSON date, the active user, JSON active user, the session, JSON sessions, top feature, JSON top feature, the export count, JSON feature uses export, the dashboard count, JSON feature usage dashboard, AI writer count, JSON feature usage AI writer, and the reports count, JSON feature user reports. Why it matters? Keeps your data clean and ready for analytics without nested JSON headache. Step 3. Summarize insight with OpenAI. Add an OpenAI node, name it OpenAI Summarize Product Usage, and use this prompt. Analyze the product usage data below and summarize key insight in JSON format with engagement summary, one short sentence, top feature reason why the top feature performed best, recommendation, suggest one optimization, data, active user, JSON active user, sessions, JSON sessions, top feature, JSON top feature, export count, JSON export count, dashboard count, JSON dashboard count, AI writer count, JSON AI writer count, reports count, JSON reports count. An example output can be this. Engagement summary. User activity increased by 10% compared to last week. Top feature region. Dashboard user spike due to new filtering option. And recommendation. Improve AI writer onboarding to boost engagement. This node transforms raw metrics into real insight automatically. Step 4. Check for duplicates date. HTTP request node. You'll avoid storing multiple reports for the same date. Add an HTTP request, check duplicate report. Settings will be method get and the URL will be this. HTTP API airtable.com your base ID product usage report. Also you have the query parameters, that is name, filter by formula, and date, JSON date. Keeps one record per day, clean, accurate, and history. Step 5. Count existing reports, a set node. Add set count reports. Expression will be JSON record dot length. And the field will be named the record count. Makes the if check simple and robust. Step 6. If node. New day or duplicate. Add if new report. Condition JSON record count equal to 0. True path will go to the store alert email. And the false path will send Slack notice that today's report already exists. Store reports in Airtable on the true path. Add an Airtable store usage reports. The fields will be JSON date, active user, JSON active user, session, JSON session, top feature, JSON top feature, summary, JSON engagement summary, recommendation, JSON recommendation. Why it matters? Centralized dashboard for daily insights. Step 8. Notify product team in Slack, also on the true path. The channel will be named product usage and the text will be this. New product usage report, JSON date, active user, JSON active user, top feature, JSON top feature, summary, JSON engagement summary, and recommendation, JSON recommendation. Why it matters? Instant team alignment. Everyone sees today's metrics in real time. Step 9. Email, daily report. Also on the true branch. Add email, send daily report. Settings. To email product team yourstartup.com, subject daily product usage report, JSON date. And the text will be this. Daily product report, active user, session, top feature, summary, and recommendation. Why it matters? The team gets insight in their inbox ready for the daily stand-up. And the step 10, handle duplicate report on the false path. Add a Slack duplicate report notice. Channel also product usage and the text will be this. Duplicate report detected for JSON date. No new data stored. Why it matters? Prevents spam reports but keeps visibility. So we built a fully daily automation that, let's zoom out. Okay, this is perfect. Pull usage data from API, analyze with AI, log results, notify Slack and email, and avoid duplicates, all with n8n, AI automation, and no-code precision. Now let's test the workflow. Trigger it manually once, HTTP set OpenAI, HTTP set count, if true branch Airtable Slack email, and run again same day, if false branch Slack duplicate. Everything works, instant reports, no repeats. So, you just built a full AI-powered product usage report automation. This workflow keeps your product team data-driven and proactive without writing a single line of code. If you love AI automation, n8n, and no-code workflows like this, hit subscribe. I post new automation every week. Keep automating and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.